Subscribe to the Vedanta Vision channel and tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new video.
In the Mahabharata, when the Pandavas were in exile, they still had this large-heartedness, hospitality. And whoever came to their home was welcome for lunch or dinner. But there was a practical problem. Now, how do you know how many people to cook for? If you think there are 5 people and 50 people show up, you're in trouble. If you cook for 50 and 5 people show up, also you're in trouble. So Draupadi had, because of her sincerity and genuineness, she was gifted with this concept called Akshaya Patra. Akshaya Patra means when she cooked, the food in that vessel did not exhaust itself, did not get over until she ate, and she always ate last. So only when she ate, the food got over. One day, Durvasa appeared there, and he first visited the Kauravas. So when he visited the Kauravas, Duryodhana hit upon a plan to get at the Pandavas, because Durvasa was reputed for what? His hunger and anger. 2 things he was famous for. So Duryodhana said, now I'm going to fix the Pandavas. So he told Durvasa, why don't you go visit the Pandavas? They're all there. Durvasa said, okay, he didn't know what the plan was. When he went, the Pandavas had finished, Draupadi had just finished eating, so the food was all over. Yudhishthir, Dharmaraja that he was oblivious to all this. So he welcomed Durvasa and said, please come and eat, not knowing that there's no food. Durvasa luckily said, I'll just go freshen up and come, freshen up by the river, wash my hands and come. In the meantime, Draupadi realized the tragedy. If Durvasa comes and realizes there's no food, he's going to give a sharp, get angry. So she prayed to Krishna. Krishna immediately understood this Duryodhana's evil plan and appeared there and told Draupadi, Draupadi, give me food quickly, I'm very hungry. Draupadi said, that's why I called you, because I am in trouble. So he said, no, there must be food left there. Bring the dish to me. So she took the empty vessel there, but however much you empty it out, there's always little morsels of food left. The saying goes, there was 1 grain of rice. And that 1 grain of rice Krishna ate. It appeased not only his hunger, it appeased the hunger of everyone in the world, including Durvasa. So Durvasa didn't come. The problem was solved. This is it, friends. When you feel a sense of oneness with a person, whatever you do has a multiplier effect. When a manufacturer feels one with a customer, he knows exactly what the customer needs. When there is a disconnect, as there is now, you have to spend millions of dollars on market research and then still the product bombs. When a doctor feels one with the patient treats him like God. But when he treats the patient only as a cash cow to generate money for himself, you know what happens? Malpractice suits are slapped on him. He has to buy malpractice insurance, patient is waiting to attack the doctor with malpractice suits, all kinds of things happen. So the question is, do you feel one with people around?